Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for time you given to our group. Now we will presentation about the material, the aims of language variation. The first speaker, time is yours.
Guys, language variations are varieties of language that exist as a result of speech communities that have many or different social backgrounds. Language variations arise because of the diversity of language used by the spoken community. Nababan 84 state that language variety is variety caused by different regions, groups or social circumstances, different language situations and levels of formality, years and erase difference.
A vernacular. A vernacular language is spoken in region within a national state, whether in a small region or country federal or provincial division or broader regions. Example of vernacular language is Manggarai language. It exists only in Manggarai, and the second is Bajawa language. It exists only in Bajawa. And the third example is Sunda language is only exists in Bandung and West Java, and Java language is exists in Java. The second is B. Standard language. Standard language refers to the language or dialect. It is typically to speaker or native language, usually spoken informally rather than written, seen as lower status than more concrete or constitutional forms. The example of standard language is guru, krain tua, matua, atau in West Manggarai is matua, and in East Manggarai is manisi. And C is lingua franca. Lingua franca is the different from Bata, is the different with vernacular, but is connected to the concept of a lingua franca. The term lingua franca is from Latin language, is Frankish tongue or Frankish language. The example of lingua franca is in Manggarai is the word bon. Bon is meaning is in Manggarai is boro. Bon is like boro in English. And the next is pidgin. Pidgin is grammatically simply means of communication that develops between two or more groups of people that do not have a language it's common. Typically, in vocabulary and grammar are limited and often drawn from several languages. It is most commonly employed in situations such as trade or where the both groups speaks language is different from the language of the country. Beside that is Crow language. Crow language is it's different from pidgin. The Crow language is mean derivative of pidgin language that is the mother of tongue of a group. The sample the Crow language in Manggarai is the word met. Met is mean the father or the mother. And the other example is nene. Nene is mean grandfather or grandmother. For the next, I give the chance for my friends. Ati.
Next, language attitude. Language attitude are psychological events and are part of attitude in general. Language attitude are an assessment reaction to a particular language. Language attitude is a mental position or feeling towards language itself of other people. The example, positive, ite, toko, and ham. And the negative, how, nubes, boros, cici. Code missing. Code missing is the use of language units from one language to another language to expand language style or language variety. This includes the use of words, clause, idioms, greeting. Some example of code missing. By the way, kamu pergi kemana? And next, yes, saya juara 1.
And the next is code switching. Code switching is different from code mixing. Code switching is switching between two language or language variation in one conversation across sentence or clause. The example of code switching is aku kangen pacarku, tapi it's okay, aku calling aja dia nanti. And the next is diglossia. Diglossia is the special kind of language standardization that is two varieties of language exist side by side in the entire linguistic community. And each variety of language is given a certain social function. The example of diglossia in Riau, they are speaking Indonesian language and Malay language. It's one of the phenomena of diglossia.
Okay guys, that's all our material and thank you.